Hi, hello students. Welcome back to new video. Today I am going to teach you about the pollination. In last two videos, I already taught you how the male gamete is formed, how the female gamete is formed. Okay. Now the time how the male gametes will be reached to the female gametes, and that is known as a pollination. Pollination is nothing but transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is known as pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is known as pollination. Pollination are of two types. One is your self-pollination and other is your cross-pollination. Self-pollination, transfer of pollen grains of one flower to the another flower of the same plant is known as self-pollination. In cross-pollination, transfer of pollen grains of one flower of one plant to the stigma of another flower of the another plant of the same species, then that is known as a cross-pollination. Self-pollination is again of your two types, autogamy and deuterogamy. Cross-pollination is otherwise known as allogamy and genogamy. Then, what is autogamy and what is deuterogamy? Autogamy, transfer of pollen grains of one flower to the stigma of the same flower is known as autogamy. Means the flower is the bisexual flower. Deuterogamy, transfer of pollen grains of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same plant. That is deuterogamy. Maybe flower will be the bisexual flower, maybe the unisexual flower. That is one type of your cross-pollination also. Okay, transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma in a same flower. That is your autogamy. Deuterogamy, transfer of pollen grains from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of a same plant. That is known as your deuterogamy. Understood? Self-pollination may be your autogamy, may be deuterogamy. Cross-pollination, it is otherwise known as allogamy and otherwise known as your genogamy. In self-pollinations, the plant does not need any agent. But in case of cross-pollination, the flower needs the agency. Maybe the agent may be the biotic agent or maybe the abiotic agent. Okay, now we will go for the cross-pollination. In cross-pollination, what will happen? The plants needs the agent. They may be the biotic agent or maybe the abiotic agents. Abiotic agent may be your water or maybe your wind. Okay, and biotic agent may be your insect, birds, animals. Okay, bat, snake and snail also. These are some of the agents. Without agent, the flower will not undergo for the pollination. When the flower go for your pollinated by the water, then that type of plant is known as hydrophily. Hydrophily. Okay. pollination through water. When pollination through air or wind, that is known as anemophily. Anemophily. Okay? And these are the above together. When pollination through water, then that is known as hydrophily. When pollination through air, then that is known as anemophily. When the pollination through insect, that is known as your anthemophily. Anthemophily. When pollination through birds, then that is known as ornithophily. Ornithophily. Okay. When pollination through animals, then that is known as your zoophily. When pollination through bat, that is known as paraphilophily. Okay. These are some of the agents in case of cross-pollinated flowers. Now, what are the advantages of self-pollinated flower? When the flower undergoes pollination through self, then there is for sure fertilization occurs, as a result seed will be formed. But in case of cross-pollination, though there depends upon some agent, maybe the seed form or may not be the form. Okay, these are the advantages and of your self-pollination and cross-pollinated plant. What is the advantages of your self-pollinated plant? Your formation of seed occurs. Formation of seed. Okay. Here may or may not. May or may not. The seed formed. Okay. This is the advantages, but this is the disadvantages for the cross-pollination plant. And what is the disadvantages of the cross-pollinated plant? What is the disadvantages of your self-pollinated plants? In case of self-pollinated plants, what will happen? The progeny which is formed, it comes from the same gene pool. So the progeny is not that much of it will not give rise to your not survive in the unfavorable conditions. That is the disadvantages. And what will happen? Though the flower will be continuously undergo self-pollination, as a result, it leads to your inbreeding depression. That is the disadvantages. Inbreeding depression. That progeny which is formed by self-pollinated, it is not that much of survive in the changing environment. There are no evolutions. Okay. But in case of that is the advantages. The advantage is that the progeny which is formed due to cross-pollination gives rise to your evolution. It leads to the evolutions, and the bigger is very much cope with the changing environment. Evolution takes place. Okay. This is the advantages of the cross-pollination. Now, what are the flowers must go for the to cope with the self-pollinated and go for the cross-pollination? What are the adaptations the flowers must require to go for self-pollination and go for the cross-pollination? And these things we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you students for watching my video. I hope you like this pollination class. Thank you students for watching my video.